Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Brazier unboxing to do. Check them out. Links will be down below. They got the App Store for the Apple and got the Google Play. So definitely, whatever you have, and you guys could get one of these. Nice Moonlight 3D printing. These are really cool. A lot of people like these. So do I. The lighting effects are really realistic. Definitely worth checking out. Great for any kid's room. Basement, man cave. What else do we got? We got the stand. We got one of these guys. Easy to put together. Matter of seconds. You could pretend you are at the moon. I wouldn't mind visiting the moon one day. That'd be kind of cool. But right now, you could get a little small replica right in your room. Look at that. It feels like the rocks. Got the bumps. There's a plug. Gotta plug it in. And we'll definitely get the stand hooked up. Get back there. Alright, see, it comes with that. Got the rubber band, man. There we go. Shout out to T.I. Rubber band, man. Here we go. Uh-oh. Got that finger band. This. You can set it up however you want. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Oh, come on, get in the hole. There we go. Nice and easy. It shouldn't be a long video. But definitely see what other goodies they have to offer at a low cost. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got it. Wait a minute. He had it. Let's be easier. Maybe not. It's that Khalifa. Oh, jeez. Hold on. Alrighty. Sorry about that. Had a little minor difficulty with it, but there we go. Nice and easy. Give them a good pop in. Make sure they're kind of like a Rubik's Cube. You're standing up whatever which way you want. Like that. We're going to see it glow in a second. Oh, yes. See, now you could have one of these as an extra one. You can have that running it. I think it is wireless, so you could, you don't need a wireless or the wires all the time, but just to charge it up. And all you gotta do is tap it, and different modes will go in. So I'm gonna turn off the lights and plug it in here. Bada boom. Sometimes I like to untuck, but this would be a great night light also. So for your newborn, be kind of cool. Look at that. Going to the moon, Alice. To the moon. Be right back. Alrighty, we got the lights off. I got that USB hub working from the Bazzaar. This one right there. But look at this. It's like the Death Star. It changes once you tap. Oh. Ooh, nice. The blue moon. The normal. Yeah, that looks like the Death Star. That's awesome. I like this one. Ooh, that's pretty cool. And look, there you go. So you could go into like on its own. So realistic. Like I said, you guys can get one cheap at a low cost. Great quality. Awesome stuff. It is relaxing. Stare at that for a few minutes. Sit back, eat some popcorn, and relax. So there's the adapter I was telling you about, the 30-watt USB. got that and running it off of that to that. That's really cool. So thank you guys, Bazaar. And like I said, YouTubers, you guys have a good day. Be safe out there and see you guys soon. Have a good night. See ya. Oh, here it goes. I gotta show you guys a few more colors. I didn't realize it had that many colors. Look at this thing go. This is cool. There's a green. That's cool blue. There you go. I think that's about it. Once it hits green, I'll shut it off. There it goes. Alright, there's all the colors. Really cool, like I said. If you find a color you like, just tap. Whoa. That's bright. Tappy tappy. I like that blue. Really cool. But for maybe a thumb, it's kind of realistic though. Yeah. That looks right there. See the whole craters and everything in there. That's crazy. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. See you guys soon. See ya.